Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to upload your course on Udemy. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First things first, head over to the Udemy website and log into your account. This marks the start of your journey toward becoming a Udemy instructor. After successfully logging in, navigate to the Instructor section. This area allows you to create, upload, and manage your courses. Once inside, look for the Edit or Manage Course option. This is your gateway to uploading and managing course content. Next, open the course you wish to upload material to. If you haven't yet created a course, take a few steps back and build your course outline first. Once that's done, click on Curriculum. This is where your course starts to take shape, allowing you to organize your lectures, sections, and quizzes. Since we're focusing on uploading content, locate the Resources section under the Curriculum tab. Here, you can add materials like reading files, slides, and most importantly, videos. Click on Select File to browse your computer and choose the video you'd like to upload. This step is crucial, as engaging video content forms the core of most successful Udemy courses. Once you've selected your video file, begin the upload process. Depending on the file size and your internet speed, this may take a few minutes, so be patient. Once your video finishes uploading, take a moment to preview it. Make sure the visuals are clear, the audio is crisp, and the content is free of errors. And that's it. So that is how you can upload your course on Udemy. So that's all for this video. Thanks.